Last time on the Family's Garage, you watched us pull 2 motors out of the C10s. Since then, we have torn down one and the other one is running great. Stay tuned and see how we got there.
Well, initial teardown and inspection, it doesn't look good. Let's start here. Push rods. Wear marks on both ends. These were reused. There's a bit one or two. One of those is, at least one of those is bent. Pretty much worn out there. We did find she's already 30 over. What we didn't want to see, so in there what you see is normal cylinder wall wear. That looks like a bunch of overspray. Not sure what's happening there. That one looks like it was at the bottom of a lake for a while. This piston is the cleanest one. I think this is where the water leak was happening. Man. The worst, however, is right there. I didn't order my cylinder walls peppered. So, also probably an oil leak source there. She was Chevy orange at one time, so I think we were duped again. I do not think this was a freshly rebuilt motor like I was told. However, we did get well over a year without too many issues. Looks like we're in for a rebuild. Alright, so what we're going to knock out first, this is the motor that's going back in Nathan's truck, the Chevrolet. It came out of the GMC, supposedly recently rebuilt. Runs and starts great, doesn't smoke, looks really good internally. We'll get it primed and painted, then we'll put on the new valve covers, the new distributor. We've got to swap water pumps. This is an older version without the threaded hole here. We're gonna put his fuel pump on it, basically get it prepped to drop into his truck. No? Oh, there he goes. Okay, didn't look good. got a fresh 700 R4 over there. Been trying to get this done for a few days, but our schedules keep conflicting. So hopefully we'll get this thing in here without too many problems, right? Right?
Yeah. Yeah, because
I need that thing.
I know we need that.
I don't. These are two. Yep. Okay.
Did you get this one over here?
Yep.
Yeah.
There we go. What are you doing?
Waiting on you. Stop
What does it
complaining.
say?
What does what say?
The concrete. What does the concrete say?
It says concrete.
You know,
Yeah.
the murder rate of teenagers by their parents is growing by the minute in this country.
Oh yeah?
So what's it say? Bees Auto 2500 2000 stall.
Yep.
Cool. Fill it up. It's not gonna go fast, so have some kind of patience. It's gotta seep past all the veins inside.
Just hold the angel
You got any bolts?
Just hold the angel eyes slowly go down, alright?
Only need to come down about 4 inches. Stop. Now slide to me. Keep going. Keep going. Alright. Alright, so now we need bolts. Ow, the ratchet.
I was going to do that.
He keeps saying that.
You still have to get there.
One day this will all be yours. No, I'm not giving it to you. I'm selling it. I want to tighten these up before we get under there, otherwise it becomes a biatch.
Did you ever tighten what? Now we'll put this in when it's under. The flywheel bolts, we'll put those in.
Remember, that one has to go in from the back so we can actually change it in the future. Boom! Alright, so what do you need? Up, down?
Actually, my
Really?
one not to see.
Okay, so while we have it like this, you need to see about getting that transmission mount back in. Alright, we'll let it go there. We're gonna have to pick that motor up and put it on the stand later, so we just slide that over there. Oh, time for some goodies.
So here go. Oh, we need the gasket too.
It don't go on until the thing's on. Well, I get to put the shiny on.
Can't scratch it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what it needs before that?
Gaskets.
Gasket. Oh, it's gotta go above that.
What?
Don't regret the red motor yet?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
I already heard it.
Just to be a curse.
Just 'cause you guys don't like it, don't mean nothing.
Who's you guys?
I'm sure you and every other person that thinks it's retarded to have a red motor in a Chevy.
I don't think it's retarded. I think it's retarded. It's just odd. Alright, so we're done underneath the truck. Exhaust is on, drive shaft is in.
There's electrical stuff.
Mounts are on. We gotta hook up the transmissions.
Electrical.
What do you call it? Converter lockup wiring.
And the tail lights.
Backup wires.
That should be it.
Everything else is up here. Cooling system.
Shroud, fan, radiator.
Nobody can hear you when you're talking away that way. So, Chevrolet.
I guess we lost that rubber mount.
I didn't.
Hold this. Or not.
Why would I hold it? You never help me. Why would I help you? You gotta move that radio because I can't do nothing. Alright, so we think we're back together. We got oil in it now. Good call. Let's see if it'll fire. You might want to pour some gas in it if you want it to fire.
Did you not pour gas in it? Oh, that was your job. You literally poured the gas.
I gotta do everything, don't I? So it popped up here. That means it needs more advance. Yeah, it's never gonna start without a solid supply.
It was a paper one, but I think I swipe.
Say the timing is way off.
Yeah.
But it ran.
It ran, and then it used. I used up all that gas quick.
No, I didn't. I just don't know where the time is at, nor I kind of guessed.
Oh.
What happens? Very successful day yesterday. You can see here we got the new motor in the C10. Actually, it ran for a second last night. We didn't have the fuel line between the frame and the motor. We've got that today. We're gonna go ahead and get it fired up, get some water in it, get the base timing set, get the carburetor set up, get the 700 set up, and take it for a cruise later on when Nathan gets home from work. Pretty big project for a weekend, but didn't really have a choice. Didn't have an extra vehicle this week for him to drive, so let's get into it. Uh-oh. Well, as soon as I gave the thumbs up, it died. Wonder what that was all about. So, in addition to the fall weather being in full force, we've got the 700R4 adjusted correctly. We used a vacuum gauge. We've got the idle and the timing and the air fuel set perfect. Check this out. gas more than you're used to get it to go. Just a little bit though.
Okay.
You notice the difference? Like it's gonna feel like it's not moving compared to what you were used to before. Yeah, because I ain't paying for gas.
I know. Smoke coming through the trees. That's different. It usually goes in the second, like, immediately, but I guess that was never normal.
There you have it. One weekend, 2 C10s, 3 motor swaps. Well, 2 out, 1 in. Couple $100. Well worth it.